How's it going? Wyatt Knox back here again at the Team O'Neill Rally School. We've been having a bunch of fun with the four-wheel drive braking versus two-wheel drive braking. And what we've seen a little bit is that when you're in two-wheel drive braking on snow and ice, the front tires want to lock and it's a little bit of a mess. When you're in four-wheel drive, all four wheels get better braking through the transfer case and you actually stop a little bit better. But we didn't do the most scientifically perfect test, and so what we're going to do now is take two Jeeps out at the same time, parallel, same exact speed. One will be in four-wheel drive, one will be in two-wheel drive. We're going to use this blue one right here and this white one right here. They've got identical tires. We'll check the tire pressures. We'll make sure one is in two-wheel drive, high range. The other one is in four-wheel drive, high range. And we'll do just a simple parallel, same speed, straight line braking test and see what happens. And then to be fair, we'll switch the two-wheel drive into four-wheel drive and the four-wheel drive into two-wheel drive so that the different drivers and the different tires and any other idiosyncrasies with the vehicles are accounted for. We'll do the same test again and see where we end up from there. So let's go give it a try.
After this cross is over, about in front of Carl. 3, 2, tighten my speeds at all. 3, 2, 1, click. 3, 2, 1.
So what we found there, four-wheel drive on the brakes hard is going to get you stopped a little bit quicker. Two-wheel drive takes a little longer to stop. What we really found though is the conditions. You know, if you're driving around on this stuff and you can manage to put a wheel into any of this crunchy business or sandy parts over here, it's gonna make a big difference. So we really had a bit of a difficult time at first trying to get two lanes on exactly the same grip, but once we managed to accomplish that, it was pretty obvious what was going on. So hopefully that clears things up. If you have any questions, add them down below in the comment section. If you're having a good time with us here, you know, give us some other stuff. If you want to see us try out some other things out here on the snow and ice, we're happy to do it. If you like the videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you next time.